So in this video, we're going to break down that riff I was just playing. I call it the Blues Rock 1A riff. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to play it slowly for you without the backing track. And then we're going to break it down beat for beat. So let's just jump right into it and let's take a look at the first beat. So the first beat here, we're going to go 1 and ah. On the A string, we're going to go open to first fret to second fret, hammer on for that 1 and 2. So we're going to use our index and middle finger for those hammer-ons of 0, 1, 2, or 1 and ah. Quick and easy. We're now going to move on to the second beat. We're going to continue with the 2 and ah. Moving down to the D string, going 0, hammer on to the 2, pull off to the 0. And we're going to do that hammer on pull off with our middle finger. So you're going to hit the open, hammer on with the middle finger, pull off. So it's only one hit of the D string. Now if I play those two together, it's 1 and ah, 2 and ah. Then on our third beat, we're going to go 3 and ah. Moving down to the G string, doing a 2 pull off to 0, and then we're hitting the 2 of the D string again. And I'm going to do all of that with my middle finger. So again, that's 2 pull off the G, 2 on the D string. For it's 3 and ah. If I do the 3 of them together, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a. Moving on to the fourth beat of the first measure, 4 and a. We have a grace note of the 2 slide to 4. That's going to combine these two really quick. And I'm going to use my middle finger to roll down to that 2 to slide up to 4. So if my middle finger's already here, finishing the, I'm going to roll it down and slide up to that 4 for the 4 in rhythm. Then the and ah, we're going to do 3, 5 on the B string using our index and ring finger. So that's 4 and ah. All together, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Now in the second measure, we're going to start with a 1 and a in the first beat. Going 3, 5, 3, E string, B string, E string. And again, we're going to use our index and middle finger for that 3, 5, 3, going 1 and ah, or 3, 5, 3. Here we're going to start the 2 and a with the grace note of sliding 5 to 7. And we're going to use our ring finger for that 5 slide to 7 as that grace note to begin the second beat. From there, we're going to finish the second measure, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a, with all 7s on the E string with our ring finger. So after that slide, for 2, it's and a, 3 and a, 4 and a. If I do the whole second measure, it's 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a. And we're going to wrap up with the third measure, 1 and a, and we're just going to include the 2 here. Going 6, 5 on the E string down to the B string for 8, 5. If our ring finger's already at the 7, we're going to go 6, 5, 8, 5 using our middle, index, pinky, index, and end with a little bit of vibrato. And now I'm going to play the whole riff slowly while counting the rhythm as I go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2. again. That's 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed learning the riff. If you did, give the video a like. If you want to learn more guitar, subscribe. Just remember to have fun and happy practicing.